So in this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to write your first LEGO NXT EV3 program and then push it to your robot so you can run it there. So to create the project, we're going to first go to File, New Project, Program, Open. So now we're here at our first project, and what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to play a sound. So our first project, we're going to play a sound once, and then the program's going to end. So if we want to play a sound, we're going to get onto this green Action tab. Go over, so in the Action tab we can do things like run motors and display things on the screen, but what we're going to do is play a sound. So you're going to click and drag the green sound block over to this orange block with the green arrow on it and make sure it connects up. Drop it. So this orange block with the green arrow is your start block. So when you run your program on the robot, it'll run through everything past the start block once in the order that it's placed. So we're looking here at our sound block. Down here we have what we're going to do. So we have stop, play file, play a tone, or play a music note. So we're going to select play file. This is a slider for the volume. So right now it's at 100. You can make it go up and down, but we'll just leave it at 100. This is how we want to play the sound. So we can wait for completion and play once or repeat. We're going to wait for completion. So this means the program's going to end, or the program's going to move on to the next step after the sound finishes playing. And then up here in the right corner, we get to choose what kind of sound file we want to play. So I'm going to select LEGO sound files, and then you have all these different default things in your software, but I'm going to select animals, and I'll find one that looks interesting. I guess I'll see what elephant call sounds like. So we're going to select elephant call, and now we're almost ready to run our first program. All we have to do is name the name of our program. So we're going to call it play sound, and then we also need to save our project. So this might vary on Chromebooks and Windows computers, but I'll show that in class. But for now, we're going to go File, Save Project As, and we're going to call it First Project. Save. Okay, so now we're ready to run our first LEGO EV3 program. Congratulations. Okay, so now we're ready to push our program to our brick. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click this center button to turn it on. So you can see right now it's booting. And then while it's turning on, we're going to connect our robot to the computer. So we're going to take this small USB end and we're going to plug it in the back. So I'll do that now. Give me a second. And then we're going to take our normal USB end. And there, it just turned on, so the light's going to go green. We're going to take our normal USB end and plug it in to our laptop. There we go. So now, on the bottom, it's going to say that we are connected to the robot in our software. So now we have our robot all booted up on its home screen. So now we're going to want to run it once while we're connected. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here, press the green play button, and it should start running. So there's the elephant call we programmed. So now you can go ahead and try it yourself. You can go program your sound block and choose whatever sound you want and try pushing to the robot. Thank you.